Well, Tony, what could have turned out to be a tricky day in the end has ended with a comfortable win, so you must be happy.
Yeah, extremely happy. I thought the boys were excellent. I thought we started really well, created a number of chances that we didn't take. And then, we got the sending off and the boys could get a bit nervous then, but they didn't. We kept playing our football and got the goal pretty soon after the sending off. So that settled the lads down, and then second half, we just controlled the game then.
Yeah, it was a bit of a sloppy start, perhaps not so great from us, but then it seemed that the red card kind of spurred us on and we were much better than after the red card.
Yeah, listen, sometimes it's tough playing with 10 men. Sometimes it gives you a little bit of a nudge to push on, and that's what the lads did today. But yeah, I thought second half, obviously they getting the man sent off then evened things up, and then from then on, we were pretty much in control.
Yeah, good to see Ben getting another goal. It's been a good sort of second phase from now, and he was in the right place. Great link up with his mate Jack. Yeah,
that's what we say to whoever's playing up front, get yourselves between the posts. And we'd missed a couple where we weren't quite in the 6-yard box to finish him off before the goal, but he gets himself there more often than not. He'll score loads of goals, and when he does it, he puts them away. So it was a great goal.
And a nice position to be in the second half to bring someone like Oscar back on, back from suspension, to bring Darren for his debut, who we'll touch on. But yeah, and 3 good goals in the second half.
Yeah, it's always pleasing to be able to give people a rest. We left a couple out of the squad today because they've been carrying little niggles, and when we've got players fit that we have at the moment, it's good to utilise everybody to get them on the pitch. And I thought all the subs who came on made a massive impact, and with the fresh legs that they brought to the game, then that added to our impetus then, and we kept going for the 90 minutes.
Yeah, well, making it 2-0 with second goal in 2 weeks, and also Vili's free kick like a postage stamp in the top right corner.
Yeah, Johan was very good again, and he did the same as last week. He followed in from a shot, the keeper's parried, and he's put it away. He did the same last week at Abba, and that was a big goal. The second goal settled things down, and from then on in we were pretty much in control. Yeah,
and then the game runs off perfectly then with Dan getting a goal in his debut in the right place, linking up with Jack, who did well off the bench as well.
Yeah, that's what Jack's here for, to either score or create goals, and he's got himself in a good position in the box, and he's laid on a plate to Dan to finish. But again, get between the posts and you take your chances, and that's what a few of our goals look like today.
Yeah, it's a great day today, and we spoke last week about it's the first of back-to-back home games, 4 home games in 5, so this is the great start now, and back here next week against Carnarvon, a different challenge, but hopefully we're on a bit of a roll now.
Yeah, we knew we had 4 games out of 5 at home, and we know how important they are to us. Our home form's been very good all season, and we took advantage of that today, and we have to do the same next week. But we have to start prepared enough for Carnarvon. It will be a tough test. They beat us twice this year. We beat them here, so we have to make home advantage count next week.
And with the results going the way they have this weekend, it's probably suited us, and that's another thing just to give us a bit of confidence along with our own performances as well.
Yeah, everybody looks at the table. All we have to do is look at ourselves, make sure we do our job properly, and if we do that and we play the way we can play, as I've said before, we compete with most teams, and that's all we can do. One game at a time, and see where that takes us. But yeah, next week's a big game now.